Namaskar, my name is Sakshi Malhotra and I'm from India. There is a saying that success is an offshoot of knowledge, and I believe in this saying. And why? Because of this acquired knowledge, my life has positively changed. It is because of this knowledge I was able to solve my complex financial condition and became self-reliant. I feel self-confident, and this confidence gives me power to realize all my dreams. I will soon have access to all my dreams. How did this happen? This happened because of the Academy of Private Investor. You just need to enroll yourself. Whatever course material and syllabus you get from this academy, they are top class. For example, our course material has 8 golden rules of a private investor. And if you study this material thoroughly, you will immediately and instantly become 10% better investor. It is especially important to have the knowledge about investing. Here, I came to know why I should have an extra source of income, why you should save some portion from your earnings, and where to invest the savings. What should be the parameters you should consider before investing? I think my mentality got more aligned towards investing after I finished the course. And now I have this confidence that with the help of this knowledge, I would be able to achieve all my dreams. Therefore, I would again say that you should join and get benefits that await you after joining.